Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you about how I dyed my hair. You can't really tell right now, but I'll make sure to insert some pictures here so you can see exactly what my hair looks like. Okay, so the dyeing process was a hot mess. So first and foremost, just let you know off the bat, I used 4 boxes of dye. Was because of trial and error. The products that I use, I'll make sure to insert them as well. I accidentally lightened my hair because my hair was pitch black. At the tips of it, I had a little bit of like red kind of color. But what I ended up doing was getting the Garnier Nutrice Nourishing Color Scheme in Champagne Blonde number 82. I used that and the same thing on your Nourishing Color Cream, the Garnier Nutrice Honey Butter. It was a light golden blonde. And I gotta make sure to find the pictures of them so I can insert, just so you can kind of see. So the first one was this. Yeah. And then the second one was this. Yeah. Go ahead and laugh it up at home. Laugh it up because I too was laughing at myself when I first did it because it came out. It didn't. It didn't. Let's be honest. It did not come out. It lightened it. Mm, mm, that much. So I ended up going on a hunt through YouTube to find like there has to be a way for my hair to get lighter without actually bleaching it, and I ended up coming across a couple of videos, and if I remember the videos that I saw, I'll put a link. But I ended up Googling as well and finding out that cream of nature, duh. But the area I live in, obviously don't have cream of nature or any products for so I ended up having to go into the city and I came across cream of nature. So what I decided to do was to get 4 boxes again because I was for how much hair I have. So I ended up getting the cream of nature exotic shine color honey blonde 10.0. That is what I got here. And then I ended up getting this one, Cream of Nature Exotic Shine and Color. This is Ginger Blonde 10.01. And I actually have these 2 boxes because I didn't use it. Because when I opened this box, it actually had we had to bleach your hair with this one, so that I didn't want to do that, so I ended up just using the 2 boxes of this. So literally all I did was follow the instructions, pushed it through my hair, left it on for the required time. I actually left it on a little bit longer just because I needed to make sure that it was gonna do what it needed to do. And I left it on for a good amount of time. I will say I actually left it on for about an hour or so. Now, granted, keep in mind that my hair was lightened a tinge bit because of the other 2 ones that I used. So a teeny bit, it did lighten it a bit, but this really did the work to make it the brown color that it is now. I made sure to get into my roots really well. You can't see right now because my roots have actually grown out since I've dyed it, but I did make sure to get all my roots and make sure it's all saturated, left it for an hour, washed it out like I was supposed to, and that's how I ended up getting my color. So hopefully this is helpful to someone. I'm so sorry that I actually didn't get any of the I didn't get any footage because I was so frustrated by my trial and error. I was frustrated. It was a mess, but I'm happy now. Yay. So I'll put a couple of pictures in here so you can see exactly what my hair looked like at the end. So thanks for watching.